make this octagonal platform. You know, let me show you like this. And this is a platform, and this is a actual site for taking oath. It was the tradition of Mughals. Everywhere he reached, he won the battle, make mosque, charitable house, gardens, step bells, etc. It is the actual site where Babar, Jahiruddin Muhammad Babar, taking oath of Holy Quran for fighting the infidels in 17 March 1527. And he renounced liquor, arak. He described there were so many mountain ridges. So after victory, they all covered with the dead bodies of infidels. And history of step bells. It is constructed by Jahiruddin Muhammad Babar after the battle of Khanwa. At the time of evening, he returned from Khanwa in order to make step bells, and there was a Persian inscription find inside this Bawli. This Bawli is presently known as the Indravali Bawli, and the inscription is saying about the victory of Rana. 17 March 1527, the day which decide who ruled the Hindustan. 17 March 1527, which is the day of clash of the two empires, which is the day of clash of two different cultures, which is the day which the clash of two ambitious and brave warriors, the day of Battle of Khanwa, and the two ruler were first is Muhammad Zahiruddin Babar and Maharana Sangram Singh. The name is also known as Rana Sanga. In the journey of Zamana Mughal, you are seeing behind me, this is known as a Ajmeri Gate. Ajmeri Gate present in Fatehpur Sikri. It is also a part of a boundary wall, because Akbar established a city after the second birthday of Jahangir. Akbar decided to build a capital because of he fulfill their desire of the male heir to continue their lineage or legacy. So Akbar decided to make a build city. So Akbar decided, after decision, Akbar make a city. The name is Fatehabad, which is announced, and here you are seeing this is known as Ajmeri Gate. There are 9 gates: Ajmeri Gate, Chor Gate, the next one, and another one is Tehra Gate. Next one is Gwalior Gate, then Chadan Paul Gate, Booth Gate, or also known as Birbal Gate. And next one is Akbarabad Gate, Akbar Gate, or basically presently known as Agra Gate, and then Gwalior Gate, Lal Gate, and then Delhi Gate. So city is covered by the boundary wall. The city wall is very long, is about to 9 to 10 kilometer, and 40 feet height. Somewhere is 60 feet, somewhere is 40 approximately, and 3 meter wide. The wall is still exist in the city. Somewhere is damaged, somewhere you can see. Okay. Then most important thing is that before establishment of the city, the grandfather of Akbar came here. and it was a uh, the route map. Maybe it is a camping there, because the grandfather was Muhammad Zahiruddin Babur. Muhammad Zahiruddin Babur, you know. No, right now I want to return there because my bike is there. Muhammad Zahiruddin Babur, which camping their army. Before he was camping there. The army is camping Midakpur, because 11 February 1527 he set out Agra and reached the Midakpur, and then he decided, because he have a large army, so he ordered their Senapati or Sepah Salar to go and find out the right place for staying a large camp army. So when the Sepah Salar came here and survey the city, because the survey, it was not the city, there is only place, the only blaze. The blaze is Sea Creek. You know, the Sea Creek basically a small place where was some stone cutter lived. The Sepah Salar advised the Babur, so there is a place where our army is camped perfectly, and there is no doubt there was lots of water, because I want to show you there were a lake which is known as the Moti Jheel or Moti Lake, and after establishment of this city, Akbar also renovated this city. So it is a good place for the Muhammad Zahiruddin Babur to camping their army. And some of historians say that there was a still you know, behind me there is a octagonal platform. I want to show you. Okay, I will taking you to there. Still octagonal platform, which is known as Kachari and also Kush Mahal. But some historians say that it was the actual place which is made by the Babur after the victory of Khanwa battle. He ordered to make Bauli, which is basically known as the Bauli also, and step bells is also known as, you know, Bauli is also known as step bells, because if the instead of Bauli, he also make here a garden which named it Fateh Bagh, which means the garden of victory, and a octagonal platform which is actually constructed by Babur inside the lake, you know. So I am approaching there. Still, you know, that is a city wall. A city wall is basically covered in three sides of the Fatehpur city. Okay, so I am telling you the story of history of Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur camping there, and after the battle of Panipat, he ordered to their son Humayun Mirza. Humayun, you know, basically because it don't say ourselves as Mughals. We don't like it. They always say Mirza. You know, Akbar's son is Humayun Hasan Mirza. Hasan Mirza is basically dad. The twins. You know. Okay. Okay. Okay, I am going somewhere and I want to show you. This is the way to approach upside of the boundary wall. You know, this is steps, but it's still discontinue here because of the damaging. So you are seeing there is an octagonal platform. This platform is basically the actual site where Babar take an oath of Holy Quran, and after taking Holy Quran, he provide more energy, and he renounced the word, renounced the wine, because he was so addicted in distilled arak, basically known as at that time distilled arak, presently known as kachi sharab. You can see that. He addicted by arak. He renounced this arak because in Islam the drinking of wine or like that, everything is haram. So he renounced there and poured the all arak in the roads of here, and he free tamga. Tamga is a type of tax of which is but after renouncing wine and free tamga tax, he fulfill the energy of the army and fought with the Rana Sanga, and he was win. And after winning, he returned at the evening. It was basically the time of Isha. Isha prayer. He described in our his memoir in Babarnama. After returning at the evening of won the battle of Khanwa, he ordered and make some bawdis, gardens, and this platform, because it is the actual platform where he take an oath and renounce the wine. So after making the platform, it become a charitable house or restroom for the travelers. Akbar also renovated this, but presently it is known as the Kachari or Push Mahal, like that. But this is the story. Okay.